refund our money to her. This guy is not a good person. Can you hear what he's saying? Refund our money now! Refund our money! Refund our money, no problem. You are a thief. And I promise you I'm going to get you. I get arrested too. You are arrested. I will arrest you.
So the video you just saw now, that was Tonto Dike, our APC politician. Yes, that was her. In that video, some of you might not really understand what happened in that video. Due to the noise, the shouting and the rest of it. This is our politician, somebody that once came out. She came out the other time last year, I think, yes, to contest as the deputy governor of Rivers State. But unfortunately, her party didn't get through. She switched over to APC. And ever since she moved into APC, she has been singing the praises of APC. Regardless of all the hardship that have been happening, even this protest that is still going on, what has she been posting on her social media handle? She has been posting things that will make the government to see the protesters as if they are out there to cause problem. That's just it. Anyway, that one is her business. But my own part is just that lady, she needs a therapist. She needs a therapy, honestly. She is losing it. Because I see no reason why a lady like that, a mother, somebody that calls herself a mother, will come out in the public and be fighting. It's a disgrace to her family, to her child, and to whatever thing she believes in. Because I see no reason, no matter how angry you are, I will come out in the public and be fighting. It makes no sense now. No matter how provoked you are supposed to control yourself. Even if the guy is at fault, but as a woman that you are, you have a son that is looking up to you, that sees you as his role model, and you're coming out to the public and at the end of the day, you're even at fault. You went to somebody's car shop, you bought a car that worth 86 million naira, and you didn't pay the money complete. Madam, if you don't get money for that particular car, must you drive that car? Why don't you look for another car that your money can afford and buy? That is the problem we have with all these celebrities. They will keep on placing their hand where their hand will have not reached. You have the money, 86 million naira to buy a car. It's not even as if you have the money to buy it, to pay off. The report has it that she paid 84 million naira and the money was remaining 2 million naira. It's not even as if she made the payment at once, so she did not. The first payment she made was 30 million naira, which is a very huge amount of money. With 30 million naira, you will still get a very nice car. Not even holding any political office. It's just an appointment. You're riding a car of 86 million naira. What will happen when you finally win any political position? That means you will use the entire country's revenue to buy a car. So the report has it that she made payment of 84 million naira. And the agreement she reached with the guy was that she would pay the remaining 2 million naira after 3 months. Are you getting it? After 3 months. And according to the guy, it's more than a year and 6 months now she took that car from their car shop. These 3 months have come and gone. After a year and 6 months, she called them that she'll be coming to fix her car. You know that you're owing these people. And it's over a year now that their money have been in your hand. You don't know if that 2 million, whether it's their gain. Not even as if you made the payment at once. You splitted the money. And you did not still keep to your own side of the agreement. After the servicing, the guy refused to release the car to her and said that she must pay him the balance of 2 million naira before she will leave here with the car. That was what caused that problem we are seeing there. Instead of her to calm down and resolve the issue, she started whining her mouth. She started shouting, ranting. Her friend was the other side, gingering her. Even the police people that came around, they were trying to see if they can solve the whole issue, to make the whole thing to look calm. Still, her action, her shouting was all over the place. You can see how the policemen were just looking at her. They could not do much. They couldn't do much. Well, the deed have been done, but oga, on your own part, this person bought this car from you, and the agreement was for her to pay the balance of the money after 3 months. What effort did you put in place to get your money back after the 3 months elapsed? Or did you just relax? Or what? Or was the agreement not written? Was it a verbal agreement? Even if it's a verbal agreement, agreement is agreement. Yes, you should have made a move. Let it be that you have made a move to get your money instead of taking laws into your hands. I'm not in support of what you did, honestly. And at the same time, don't go and pay them their money. Stop shouting. Stop doing all this gara you're doing. Pay him off his 2 million naira. I think you're a big lady. You have it all. Pay him off now. Why will you be sitting on somebody's business money and you're there making mad, also trying to fight the person? If those people are not holding you back, do you think you can fight that guy? Do you think your strength can match up to his own strength? Madam, you have to be calming down. Oh. As one is adding in age, that person should be giving herself some sense and some advice. You have to be calming down. What is your gara? You no go reach you anywhere.